Hey gang, LT here. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to do a squat. I'm gonna show you actually how to do a squat. Now, if this is your first time at my channel, definitely subscribe to my channel and like this video. I really do appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Hey gang, I'm in the middle of my squat challenge, so I thought it would be fitting to do a video on how to do a squat. If you've never done a squat before, or if you're not sure how to do a squat, it'd probably be best to start out at a chair. A squat is pretty much just sitting right in the chair. So let me show you that. All right, gang. So here's the chair that I'm using. Okay. With a squat, you want to make sure the chair is sturdy. You don't want to get a chair that's not sturdy. That wouldn't be a good idea. So make sure first the chair is sturdy. Okay. Now, first what I want you to do is just sit down in the chair. Okay. Just sit in the chair. All right. Notice the hips go down like this when you sit in the chair, right? So when you sit down in the chair, your hips have to bend, all right? And your heels should stay down as well. So we're sitting in the chair, okay? So that's the movement of a squat. Sit up. So hips are back first, all right? That's the first point that need to move is your hips. Hips, hips. That's a squat right there. So come down, sit, and come up. Okay, so go down, sit, and come up. Now, what I want you to do is try not to put too much weight in the chair. Okay, so go down and try to make sure you're not putting all your weight in the chair. So just barely touch the chair. So come down, barely touch it here, and then come up. So notice I'm not relaxing at all. Keep your body tense and just barely touch the chair. So go down and come up. All right, go down and come up. Now, as long as you're not having any knee pain, let's try without the chair. The same concept, okay? Same concept. So your hips are back first, okay? So your hips are back, ready? Sticking your bum out. You gotta stick your bum out. You can't squat without sticking your bum out. You can't go like this, right? Some people try to squat like this as if that's a squat. No, this has to go back first. So your hips are leaning over. So you come in here, just like you sit in the chair, and then you're coming up, okay? So you sit here, hips first, here, and coming up, here, and coming up. That's how you do a squat. Have any questions, let me know. If I need to make another type of video, I would love to help you, all right? Hey gang, thanks a lot for checking out this how to do a squat video. Definitely check back for more videos and definitely subscribe to my channel and definitely like this video if you enjoyed it. I love bringing you great content. Have a great day.